The United States has held the title of the world's largest economy for over a century, a testament to its innovative spirit, vast resources, and dynamic markets. In the race for economic dominance, nations across the globe shoulder substantial debt burdens, including sizable amounts owed to the United States, a renowned global superpower. As of December 2023, the total federal... But who exactly holds the keys to these trillions? 1. The domestic crowd. $24.64 trillion resides within U.S. borders, held by a motley crew of banks, insurers, state and local governments, and even government pension funds. And 2. The global players who hold $7.4 trillion. Looking at the top 5 countries with the highest American debt, number 4, Belgium. As of the most recent data, Belgium's investment in U.S. debt amounted to a hefty $331 billion. This constitutes around 4.47% of the total foreign debt. Number 3, United Kingdom. The United Kingdom has seen a notable increase in its holdings of U.S. debt, with British investors raising their investments to $668 billion as of January 2023. This represents a rise from the... And topping the list is Japan. As of the most recent information, Japan had a whopping $1.1 trillion invested in Treasury securities. That's a lot of faith in the U.S. economy. In fact, Japan holds a significant 14.86% share of all foreign-owned U.S. debt. That shows how confident they are in the strength and stability of the U.S. financial system. Now, the question is, have you ever wondered why foreign countries scramble to get their hands on U.S. debt? Well, it's all about those prized U.S. Treasury securities, which are like the golden ticket of the financial world. These securities are known for their incredible security. So it's no wonder foreign countries are eager to buy U.S. debt. It's like getting a slice of financial stability and potential profits in one go. Are you feeling more brilliant than yesterday? Give this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for content that'll make your neurons do the Macarena.